Have you seen that Steve Ballmer video on YouTube, the developers one? If you have, don't worry, we're not about to repeat the performance. If not, go search YouTube later and brighten your day. OpenText, like Steve at Microsoft, recognize the importance of developers like you, developers who will extend OpenText products, providing new and innovative features for your customers. If we better understand your needs and frustrations, we can design better APIs and SDKs. And that is why we have built OTDN, the OpenText Developer Network. We talked to a lot of developers and found common goals, tasks and frustrations. We put these together to create a persona. Meet Graham, a typical developer working for an OpenText partner or customer. What do we know about Graham? He needs accurate, complete, up-to-date information that he can rely upon. And he needs to be able to find it quickly. He wants lots of examples. He believes examples are more important than descriptive text, but they must be relevant and they must work. He values code samples that he can reuse, whether created in his organization or from anywhere reliable. He wants to get answers directly from OpenText experts, the developers that created the APIs. He wants to keep up with new technologies and advances. He wants to follow best practices to ensure he doesn't cause support issues by taking an unorthodox route. So how will OTDN help Graham? First, we realize how important up-to-date API reference information is and how important it is that Graham can provide feedback. So rather than reproduce JavaDoc or .NET documentation in a manual to be updated for each release, we have a browsable API reference in wiki pages. The pages are not editable, they are created and updated from our build, so we can update the information regularly. But because they're wiki pages, Graham can add comments, so if he doesn't understand a method or feels it does not meet his needs, he can post a comment. Our developers see the comment and update the source comments for the next update. In the meantime, they can answer his comment, perhaps with a code snippet to help the explanation. Graham's contribution will help other developers struggling with that method and will help our developers understand Graham's needs better. OTDN replaces that traditional programming guide, which we know Graham doesn't read, with topics and wiki pages that can be easily found and easily updated. We'll provide code samples. Hopefully Graham will contribute some too. So over time we'll build a huge library of reusable code that will save time and effort. What about more general questions and discussions? OTDN provides forums. Graham can ask questions that any contributor could answer. Monitoring the forums and answering when he can is Graham's opportunity to become recognized as an expert. Together we'll build a community of experts that can help each other. Community wiki pages allow Graham to work with others to create best practices or document gotchas. We can keep the community up to date with blog postings. Our product managers and development managers write about new releases, updates to APIs, or discuss future requirements for APIs. Technical evangelists can blog about new trends and technologies. OpenText developers can show neat tricks you can do with their API. What else can OTDN offer? How about demos and utilities? We'll include guidelines like the OpenText User Experience Guidelines, so Graham can create applications that conform to the standards that we follow and our customers expect. So why not join Graham on the growing community at OTDN? If you have Knowledge Center credentials, log on at otdn.opentext.com or email otdn@opentext.com to request an account. Together we'll make more powerful and usable APIs and so develop more exciting and innovative products.